intent of strategic thinking is actually not to problem solve, but rather to focus on the problem. So strategic thinking focuses on the problem. Do we have the real problem and do we have the right problem? Whereas strategic planning focuses on solutions. And strategic planning focuses on solution. That's very often where our start point is, where we just say, hey, I think we've got a problem. I think this is the problem. Come up with a strategy for it. Very often down the road, when we get to the implementation and people start having the strategy plopped on their desk and people are told, you need to go implement this, that they step back and they question it and they say, you know what, I'm happy to do my part, but this isn't the real problem.